Imagine a world where the machines have taken over, replacing human workers in nearly every industry and sector. A world where artificial intelligence, AI, has become so advanced that it can perform tasks and make decisions better than any human ever could. It may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but the reality is that we're already seeing AI's growing role in our society. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is becoming more integrated into our daily lives. But what happens when AI becomes so sophisticated that it replaces humans altogether? This video explores the potential implications of such a scenario, looking at both the benefits and drawbacks of a more automated workforce. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's important to consider what this could mean for our future as a society. You are witnessing a growing role of AI in your daily life, shaping the way you interact with technology and the world around you. Technological advancements have enabled AI to become increasingly sophisticated, leading to its integration into various industries. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming the way businesses operate and society as a whole. As AI continues to integrate into society, ethical considerations must be taken into account. While there are numerous benefits to utilizing AI in various fields, there are also potential negative societal impacts that must be considered. As such, regulatory frameworks will need to be developed and implemented to ensure that AI operates within ethical parameters while maximizing its potential benefits. The future implications of this technology remain uncertain, but it's clear that the impact of AI on society will only continue to grow in the years ahead. With its increasing capabilities and integration into various industries, many wonder what could happen if AI were to replace humans in the workplace. You might be surprised to learn just how much potential there is for AI to take over many of the jobs currently held by humans in the workplace. Job displacement, skill requirements, and training programs are all factors that must be considered as we move forward with this technology. Here are 3 ways the introduction of AI into the workplace could impact the job market. Increased efficiency. AI can perform mundane tasks quickly and accurately, allowing businesses to operate at a more efficient rate. New skill requirements. As more jobs become automated, workers will need to develop new skills in order to remain relevant in their industry. Economic impact. While some industries may experience job loss due to AI integration, others may see an increase in demand for skilled workers who can work alongside these machines. As we consider these potential changes, it's important to think about arguments for a more efficient and productive society. By embracing new technologies like AI, we can create a world where businesses thrive and individuals have access to meaningful employment opportunities that utilize their unique skills and talents. If you want to imagine a world where businesses thrive and individuals are able to utilize their unique skills and talents, just consider the fact that AI has already led to a 50% increase in productivity in some industries. With machines taking over repetitive tasks, humans can focus on more creative and strategic work. This means more time for innovation, research, and development of new technologies that will ultimately benefit society as a whole. Advancements in science will be made at an accelerated pace, with AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and generate insights beyond human capacity. Furthermore, AI's potential for creating new job opportunities cannot be ignored. As machines take over certain roles, there will be an increased demand for workers who can design, build, program, maintain, and repair these machines. Education and reskilling programs will play a crucial role in preparing the workforce for this shift. However, it's important to also address concerns over mass unemployment and widening income gap as certain jobs become obsolete. It's alarming to consider the potential for widespread unemployment and a growing income divide as technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace. As job retraining programs struggle to keep up with labor market shifts, many workers may find themselves unemployable as their skills become obsolete in the face of technological innovation. This could lead to significant social unrest and political upheaval if large segments of the population are unable to earn a living wage. As concerns over mass unemployment grow, some have advocated for Universal Basic Income, UBI, as a solution. UBI would provide all citizens with a basic income regardless of employment status, potentially mitigating the negative effects of automation on the workforce. However, opponents argue that UBI would disincentivize work and could worsen the income gap by providing a safety net only for those who do not work. Education reform may also be necessary to equip workers with skills that cannot be easily automated or outsourced. Ultimately, it will require careful planning and policy implementation to ensure that technological progress benefits society as a whole rather than exacerbating existing inequalities. With such profound changes on the horizon, it's crucial that we consider not just economic but also social and ethical implications of AI replacing humans. As we continue to witness the exponential growth of technology, it's important to consider the ethical and social ramifications that come with machines potentially taking over human jobs. One of the main concerns is the moral dilemmas that arise when we replace human workers with artificial intelligence. For instance, who will be responsible if a machine makes a mistake? How do we ensure that AI-powered machines are programmed with ethical considerations in mind? The psychological impact on human workers cannot be ignored either. Many people derive their sense of self-worth from their job, and being replaced by a machine can have detrimental effects on their mental health. Additionally, there may be legal ramifications for companies that replace human workers with AI without proper consideration for labor laws and regulations. A cultural shift towards technological dependency may also occur, leading to further erosion of traditional work values and practices. With these implications in mind, it's crucial that we approach the integration of AI into our workforce with caution and careful consideration. Furthermore, another concern related to AI replacing humans is the loss of personal touch in customer service. While machines can provide fast and efficient service, they lack empathy and emotional intelligence, which are crucial components in providing satisfactory customer experiences. In addition, customers may feel frustrated or alienated when dealing solely with machines instead of human representatives who can handle complex issues or provide personalized solutions. As businesses adapt to new technologies, they must find ways to balance efficiency with maintaining authentic connections between customers and employees for long-term success. With machines taking over customer service, the personal connection between customers and employees could be lost. This may have a significant impact on empathy, as customers may feel like they're talking to an emotionless machine instead of a person who can understand their concerns and needs. Furthermore, it could also affect personalization, as machines may not be able to provide the same level of tailored assistance as human agents. The loss of human touch in customer service could also lead to a decrease in trust and loyalty from customers. When interacting with machines, customers may be less likely to feel valued or heard, which could result in them seeking out other companies that offer more personalized services. Additionally, the lack of human interaction could also impact job satisfaction for those who work in customer service roles. Without the opportunity to connect with customers on a personal level, employees may not find their work as fulfilling or rewarding. As machines continue to take over various aspects of our lives, it's important to consider their potential impact on both individuals and society at large. The loss of the personal touch is just one example of how AI is replacing humans and can have unintended consequences. Next up, let's explore how machines making life-or-death decisions in healthcare might play out. Machines making life-or-death decisions in healthcare is a topic of concern, as it may impact patient outcomes and raise ethical questions. With the advent of AI, machines can now diagnose illnesses, identify potential medical errors, and even suggest treatments. However, relying solely on machines to make crucial decisions can lead to several issues that need to be addressed. Firstly, medical ethics must be taken into account when using AI in healthcare. The decision-making process of machines should align with the values and principles of medicine that prioritize patient safety and well-being. Secondly, legal accountability must also be considered when machines are involved in medical procedures. Who will be responsible if an error occurs? Thirdly, trust in machines can only come after thorough testing and validation processes that demonstrate their reliability and effectiveness. Bias elimination techniques must also be implemented to ensure fair results for all patients. Ultimately, human oversight is necessary for any machine decision-making process to ensure that the right choices are made for patients' lives. In conclusion, the potential for AI to replace humans in various industries is both exciting and concerning. On one hand, it promises a more productive and efficient society. However, on the other hand, it poses a threat of mass unemployment and a widening income gap. The social and ethical implications of this possibility cannot be ignored. As we move forward with technological advancements, it's important to consider the impact they'll have on our society as a whole. While automation may bring many benefits, we must ensure that we don't lose sight of the importance of human touch in customer service and the value of human decision-making in areas such as healthcare. Balancing efficiency with empathy will be key to ensuring that AI serves humanity rather than replacing it entirely. Coincidentally, as you finish watching this video on your computer or phone screen, you may receive an email or notification from an automated system. It's up to us as individuals and as a society to determine how much control we want to give these machines over our lives. By carefully considering their role in our workplaces and daily interactions, we can create a future where AI enhances rather than replaces our humanity. That brings us to the end of today's insightful journey into the world of AI. If you found this video valuable and want to stay up to date with the latest trends and breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, please hit that like button. It lets us know that you appreciate the content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll become part of a community that's at the forefront of AI discussions. And remember, by clicking the bell icon, you'll get notified whenever we upload new content, ensuring you never miss a beat in this fast-paced field. Finally, we encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. We love hearing from you, and your insights could spark fascinating discussions among the AI controversy community. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.